LoopArt 3D photo and morph app. So here is the app which you can install in here. One tap cartoon, exclusive cartoon portrait, time machine, get younger with one click, variety hairstyle, trendy hairstyle, Disney filters, sketch filters, video face changers, dynamic photos, face swap, 3D effects, chill stickers. So let the photos move. One key to become useful with the time shuttle. One click, dress up, make a still photo scene, turn yourself into a Disney cartoon character. So, quite a trendy app in this category, which you can use in here. So here is the app. You can try to start it out. Then you can see it's $25 per month. The app is quite sketchy though. Like it instantly offers you to upgrade when I just open the app and it opens me payment pop-up. So I think this is quite sketchy, to be honest. So just to be careful. And then they offer in 3-day free trials and $25 per month, which you can try. And then a lot of filters in here, baby faces, cartoon faces, photo moving faces. You can unlock a lot of features. And then there are some newcomer discounts, which you can try. And then again, so yeah, you can just try it out. Then, so this is how you can upgrade. And this is just for you to know, if you don't upgrade right away, you still can have some really nice discounts. So this is your feedback account. Yeah, seems that this is some kind of like Chinese app, so you should be quite careful with your data. But this is just a quick preview.